showing a total of 5 different apps that will pay you daily for just doing a survey or just maybe partaking in a job that they will give you. So without wasting much time, I just want to make this video short. I don't want to stop much in this video. So without wasting much time, if it's your first time on my channel, this is your guy Shakuras here, as you can see on the screen. Guys, make sure. So guys, when you're here, I just want you to do 3 things, formulate 3 things. Guys, I just want you to click on this subscribe button, click on this. Okay, so click on this red subscribe button and hit the bell icon below so that you can be notified when I drop more videos. And guys, also scroll down, you can see I have a bunch of videos here that talk about how to make money online. So if you're a guy up there, or you know you have a friend who is interested in making money online, kindly share your videos with all those your friends up there who are looking for a way to make money online. I can see that I have a bunch of videos here talk about a way to make money online. So without wasting much time, okay, so without wasting much time, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start quick and introduce you to the new apps. And guys, if this is your first time, so don't forget to check out my Instagram account. So without wasting much time, I just want all of you here to show your guys and laugh. Go to Instagram account. This is my Instagram page. Follow me on Instagram. I mostly post tips about how to make money online. So check out my Instagram account, and don't forget to also check out my Twitter account. So your boys and laugh by out. Follow your boy on IG and Twitter. Okay, so without all do I say, let's hop up into the video. Now the first app I'm going to show you in this video is what we call the iPool. So guys, when you are here on the iPool, okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so this is how the iPool page look like. And guys, all the apps I'm going to show you, they work on Android or whether you are using Android phone or you are using iOS. You can come here and so let's go down and see how it works. Okay guys, they said that iPool is an online and mobile community where your unique perspective is your gain. So you can say this app is really paying. So they just pay you for the service that you have rendered to them. They just give you a service, and you do. When you do, you get paid for doing that. So this app is really working. But guys, to be frankly speaking, this app will not work for some people in maybe some parts of countries. Yes, I recorded a video. I saw a video about this, and most people will not explain the thing to you well. That okay, this app will not work in your country. Especially those who are in Africa, I'm not sure this app will work for you, but you can try and see it's up there. But don't worry, don't click off this video and say because of what I said, because I have a bunch of apps on the way coming that work in your country. So when you are here, the first thing you need to do here is okay. So the first thing you need to do here is click on sign up for free. Real quick. Let me show you how the sign up process is like. Real quick. Okay. Hey guys, so when you're here, the only thing you need to do is provide them with your first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, and your zip code. And Ghana here, our zip code is what we call this is 00233. This is Ghana. This is our zip code. So check whether it will work. You can say this zip code does not exist. Okay. So I'm very sure that this app is not working in Ghana. So try a zip code and use the VPN. I taught you how to use the VPN in most of my videos. So go and check out my videos and use the VPN to access it. Okay, the email, your password, and that's all, and you are good to go with it. So that's the first app. Now let's go to the second app. The second app on my list here, I'm going to show you is what we called the money app. Yeah, this is the money app. And guys, this app really make me a lot of money. Yes, this app really make me a lot of money. In my next video, I'll be giving you a proof of this app, the money I've made for this app on my next video. So this is how the app look like. You can see it's available in App Store, Apple Store, or Google Play Store. So this is how the app look like. And guys, this app is really paying. You just you get paid for rendering a service, and you get paid through your paper account or your bank account. So let's scroll down and let's know much about this. So when you're here, the only thing you need to do here is you click on that to download it on Apple Store or Play Store. And guys, this app is really paying. So I will do a vivid and a word explained video about this app. Yeah, I'll do a word explanatory video about this one. So just be updated to all my videos and you get to know more about this app. Okay guys, without wasting much time, let's hop up to the third app. And the third app I have on my list here is what we call Picoworkers.com. Yeah, Picoworkers.com. This is the next app. Okay, so here we are on Picoworkers.com. And guys, this app work on whether you're using phone or laptop. Yeah, you can access this app. And guys, this is the app that I have a group of people that I used to show them about how to make money online. So they know much about this app. They are not new to this app. So what you do here is that you will come here. Let me just log in. Okay, so let me just log in quickly. Let me show you how the app look like. And it's very guys, you can make money using this app daily. You can make like maybe daily, maybe $5, $6 daily. When you are serious with this app and you are really into how to make money online, yes, you can see this app. So quickly, I don't know. Okay, understood. So guys, it's loading. So let me wait for it to load. Oh, okay. I have to send something through my email. So let me just look for it quickly. And okay, guys, so I just received the code. Okay, let me just send them the code fast, quick, and let me show you how this app look like. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it's been a while that I've logged inside my app. I can see my earnings that I have here. This is my earnings, the amount of money I render a service to some people and they just pay me with this amount of money. So real quick, as you can see, these are work that I'm supposed to come and do. Like somebody is saying that there's a lot of work here that's supposed to come and do here. All you do, you get paid for doing all those things. You can say get for doing all those things. But this one is going $0.6. This amount is going to pay us this amount of money. And guys, there is a money here. As you can see, there is a money here, and I can quickly withdraw this money to my wallet and whatever you want to withdraw it to. So this app is really working here, guys. So my fourth app that I'm going to show you is what we called my fourth app is what we called the 1 2 3 4. Okay, guys, the fourth app you have here is also what's called Teluna. And guys, this app is really paying, and this app pay with cash. Yeah, guys, this app with cash. This app didn't do with points. Some app they will say, okay, get this point and get this amount of money. No, guys, what this app do here is this app pay with what cash. As you can see, so you only require your full name, your username, your email, your password, your country you're from. So you can see, let me just show you something very quick. You can see this app work worldwide. As you can see, you have a lot of, so all that you need to do is just come and check whether your country is in here or not, and whether it's supporting your country or it's not. It didn't support in your country. Let's use the VPN to get access to this app. So this is how the app look like. So that was much time. I will hop up into my last app for this video. The last app I'm going to show you, which have really make me real money, and how I've done it I'm going to show you in this video. So guys, boom, here we are on our fifth and the last app for this video. What we call what the so the last app here is what we call Survey on the Go. And guys, this app is really paying. You can go do more research about this app on the YouTube. Yes, everywhere you can see this app is really paying. This app is really paying, guys. A lot of people who are using this app. I'm coming, let me just show you a tip of something here. I'm coming real quick. You can see they said earn cash, not points. So this app is really paying cash, not points. This app is not going to what pay you points. And so what, it's fair trade or data. It fits your lifestyle. Cash for referrals. So guys, let's scroll down. Let me show you something quickly. Now people are really using this app. By releasing this app. Okay, let me just go to Google and show you more about this app. This app is really working. Guys, so guys, that's our fifth app in this video. And where we are in this video, where you think that you have found something or you love what I'm doing in this video, guys, please kindly click on the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I drop more videos, and show your guys some love by going to my Instagram page. Follow me on Instagram, Shapiro71. Okay, real quick. And out, come to Twitter too. Follow me on Twitter. Real quick. Okay, let me show you what I mean by all those things. Okay, so show your guys some love by what. Follow me on Instagram, and also what, follow me on Twitter. So real quick, let's jump onto the video and let me just explain.
So which of them we will do for them? You need to do them.
So guys, you can see here, this is a review that somebody have wrote about the app. You see, honestly, the app is very good, and it's the only survey app that I've used where I've actually qualified for survey. You can see. So here he said what you can make. Say you can make which is was $10 each week. Guys, you can see this app is really working. So there's a lot of real comments coming on real rate. You can see this person rated this app 4.5, and you can see the number of votes. Guys, this app is really working. So I will encourage all of you out there who are looking for a way to make money on your phone, now download this app on your phone and try and use this app, because this app is really working. This is what we call the survey on the go. So guys, with that much I said, I've those are the 5 app that will pay you. Okay guys, so we talk about the iPhone, the money app real quick. Let's it load. to my YouTube channel so that any video, any updates that I put here, you will be the first to watch it. So guys, see you on my next video. I'm out.